Kinsley and Tegan. And we're unboxing this huge box right here filled with Justice goodies for our sleepover. And I don't know about you, sis, but I'm speechless about this box.
Me too.
Because look how big it is.
I just want
to open it, and I just want to see. I'm just
I
excited.
kind of want to do like a class challenge.
Yes. Justice heard that you're throwing a slumber party, and we want to join in the fun. Here are some extra special goodies to help you have the sleepover of the summer. Ooh. Oh, these are so adorable. Look at the little grippies, their little hearts. That's so adorable.
I love this mask.
Oh,
It says sweet. Sweet dreams.
of course, sweet.
Watermelon sweet. Let's see what I got.
I can already tell it's going to be adorable. Wait, is it a onesie? Oh, no.
No,
I thought it
but
was a onesie.
it looks like one of those. What is? Oh, it's
Remember your narwhal
It's a
onesie?
little cute like jacket. And look, it says. What does it say? It says life as
Life is sweet.
is sweet. Right, and then it has a little cute pineapple. And look how cute this is.
That's so adorable.
You keep my things
Oh, look how cute those are. Wait, Tegan, I think this goes to your set, right?
Mr. Pineapple again.
Here, let's put them together.
Yeah, looks like it. Unbox the next thing.
Oh, look at these cute little pineapples.
All right, so it says party like a pineapple. That's the set. And this set is just pink little glitters. This is just pineapples with a pink background. And then this one, cute little pineapple.
And
Like the one on the cover. And then this one is like stripes.
It's my turn to unbox, and I'm excited. Let's get down in. Yep. Oh my gosh! What is this? It looks. Oh my!
What is that?
Wait, what is this?
Wait.
Bluetooth speaker, built-in microphone, LED light. Wait, LED color changing.
Oh, wow, look at this. It's a huge watermelon. There's a lot of watermelons.
Wait, can I see?
Does it say anything?
Yeah,
No?
it says something on the shorts.
Oh.
Life is sweet. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, wait. It's a huge watermelon.
Oh,
And then,
something else.
it says, does see, look. Life is sweet. It's kind of wrinkly. Oh, look how cute this is. Look, it's a little flamingo.
Oh my god,
Upside down. Look, it's a little flamingo.
Tegan, you got one like me.
Oh,
Okay, on to the next thing. These are so adorable. On to the next one. Unbox. Oh.
And flamingo. Look at these watermelon.
Pineapple edition.
Watermelon face masks. These are all me. All right. Next thing.
These are,
Whoa, what are these? It
know.
says Summer Squad.
Summer Squad. They're tattoos.
Look, they're little
They're
tattoos.
tattoos.
Let's get this party started with some face mask. I'm so excited because I haven't done one of these ever.
What?
Well, get ready because it's super fun. I'll be the helper because I've done this like a whole bunch of times.
Let's have some fun, girls. Let's start opening.
Did y'all see that these are scented?
What? What?
No wonder. Justice is the coolest place on earth.
I know, it's my favorite.
I like it because they have so much glitter.
Well, let's get started.
Okay.
And sequins.
And sequins, yes.
Yes.
Can't forget about that sequins.
Look how cute these are. They are. Justice is the best.
I put it on. Look how pretty it looks.
Oh.
I love Justice. It's really
They do sense to do.
I know.
Okay, girls, we got our nails done.
And our hair looks great.
So does our makeup.
And our tattoos.
It's time to do some karaoke.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's start mixing, ladies.
That's probably enough popcorn.
Pretzels. Oh my gosh, there's a lot.
We've had the best sleepover of our whole entire lives. We've done face masks, fake nails, makeup, karaoke, snack mix, and just thank you, Justice, for all this amazing stuff. You have made our day.
Now it's time to wrap it up by snuggling up with all my best friends and watching a movie while eating our snack mix.
Thank you, Justice! We love you! We've had an amazing slumber party, and it's time to wrap it up.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more